Okay, guys, we're back at it again. Right now, we're in Kingston, Jamaica, at the waterfront, and it is beautiful. It is amazing, and yeah, the wind feels good. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I have a lady over here. She's the one that's showing me the city. And let's ask what's going on. How is it over here? What do you think about the right now? Where the water? Where are we at right now?
We're in Rockford.
Okay.
Yeah, we're in Rockford down at the sea.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is
so cool and nice.
yeah. And what you tell people, right, if they want to come to Jamaica, is it a good vibe or?
Of course, it's a good vibes. Bad vibes is everywhere. You have to just come and let your vibes be good, huh?
And what about people that say Jamaica is gangster, violent, and they don't want to come here? What do you say?
No, it's everywhere. Youngsters everywhere, huh?
So they say they should come to Jamaica, right?
Because you're here, so you can introduce anybody to be here.
All right. So they say Jamaica is a good place.
Of course.
All right. So let's go check out the waterfront.
Yeah.
Oh, the wind is so strong. Oh man, that's amazing. This is crazy. Right now, the airport is right over there. Right over there. Come here and tell them what's what, so they can see like what you're about.
Oh, that's a cement company, and that's the JPS company, and that's the flour mill.
All right, where's the flour mill?
Oh, flour mill is that tall building out there, that tall building.
Which one?
The one that the